Regulators have left carmakers little choice but to embrace plug-in hybrid technology. In Europe, for example, ultra-aggressive fuel consumption standards, coupled with testing methods heavily favoring plug-ins, give such models a big advantage. In China, they are favored by legislation at both the municipal and national levels. Here in the U.S., CAFE requirements, environmental concerns, and more are putting pressure on manufacturers to pursue alternatives to conventional powertrains. Sales of reasonably priced plug-ins have begun to increase globally, especially in China, but sales of premium hybrids typically have been abysmal. Witness BMW's struggles with its active hybrid line of vehicles, most of which have been discontinued. Yet BMW is not giving up. Meet the company's latest attempt to appeal to premium shoppers with an eco-bent, the 740e xDrive. We drove the car at the 2016 Silvretta e-car rally in Austria, an electric and hybrid vehicle offshoot of the Silvretta Classic Rally for vintage cars. The 740e is powered in part by the same 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder gasoline engine that is offered in other BMWs, with help from an electric motor. It's notable for being the first ever four-banger in for the American market. Other markets will soon get while putting such a tiny engine in doesn't sound like it would work well. This powertrain actually provides surprisingly good performance. Quote, credit turbocharging and electrification. The gasoline engine produces just 255 horsepower on its own, but the electric motor can add 111 horsepower. Maximum total system output stands at 322 horsepower at 4,600 revolutions per minute, while maximum torque is 369 pounds-feet and is available from 1250 to 4,600 revolutions per minute. That's enough for a 0 to 60 mph sprint of an estimated 5.2 seconds and a terminal velocity of 155 miles per hour. The power comes on quietly and is channeled via xDrive all-wheel drive through the